Today we're testing Lumina, which is the sponsor of this video, with the latest model Seedance 2.5 and Seedream 5.0 Pro model. Lumina is an official Byte Plus visual, creativity and content creation platform for generating images, videos and commercial creative assets. With the latest model, it's perfectly fitting and interesting for creators, e-commerce teams, marketers and agencies who want to build visual content faster with AI. Let's go in. So first you go on ai.byteplus.com/Lumina. Here you have an overview about the tool. You have the top models available, like for image is the Seedream 5.0 Pro or Nano Banana Pro. In this video we will focus on the new Seedance 2.5 update. First we want to generate some images. On the bottom you have your chat box with your prompt. You can switch between AI image, AI video, AI chat to avatar and audio. Here you have the top models available. For this case the image models like Seedream 5.0 Pro or Nano Banana Pro. You can adjust the ratio. You can upload reference images or characters. In our case we had the prompt of a realistic cinematic desert landscape at golden hour with a small caravan of travelers rides on camels. As you can see, the image quality is just astonishing, exactly what we wanted. A desert landscape, travelers, and in the far behind oasis. You can download it or share it via a link or publish it. Now we go to the Seedance 2.5. We want the image to video. Now we uploaded our start frame here. We have our prompt here. Make sure Seedance 2.5 is selected. You can adjust the ratio now or the resolution. You have a duration up to 30 seconds in Seedance 2.5, which is amazing. And now you just hit create. You can see it's now generating our desired output. You can do barrel generations. The good thing at Lumina is you can upload up to 50 assets at once, like images, videos, audio for your character, scenes and more. And here is the result. Let's look at it.
We're almost there. What an incredible view. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. Let's enjoy this place for a while.
Amazing quality, cinematic, right out of the cinemas, smooth transitions between the clips, no deformations. It followed our prompt, it followed our camera control, multi-shot as its best. Amazing. Here a more advanced example, we uploaded this picture of this woman and we wanted that the woman stand together with a man on a New York sidewalk. They have a little conversation. Let's look at it.
I know this might be a little forward, but I'd really like to see you again.
I was hoping you'd say that.
Can I get your number?
Of course. Now you can't pretend you lost it.
Looks like I don't have an excuse anymore.
Amazing multi-shot scene, character consistency over the clips, all together in one seamless result. Lip sync is on point. It's everything there. Just amazing. Lumina also offers video editing. We have this original video here. Let's look at it.
Yeah, that sounds great. I can't wait to see you. Eigi. See you then.
And we want to edit this video. We want to change the hair color of this woman, but don't change anything else. We don't want to regenerate the whole video. So Lumina with Seedance 2.5 offers us a video editing. So first you go on Seedance 2.5, you go on video editing, you upload your desired video, what you want to change, your change prompt. We have change only the woman's hair color to blonde, keep everything else identical. We hit create and here is the result. Let's look at it.
Yeah, that sounds great. I can't wait to see you. Eigi. See you then.
If we put them in comparison, you can see nothing has changed, only our desired hair color. So editing with Seedance 2.5 at Lumina is just easy as that. Here another example for video generation, a commercial cooking show with close-ups of the cooking process. He should cut the vegetables, cooking pasta, step by step in one seamless clip. Let's look at it.
Today we're making one of my favorite comfort dishes. That's exactly what we're looking for. Simple ingredients, restaurant quality results.
I've never seen a better result. It's the first generation with Seedance 2.5 with this prompt and it's just amazing. As you can see, the character consistency is on point. We didn't upload any assets here, any reference images, and he just holds the character. The close-ups of the food is just amazing. As you can see, it's just wonderful, a step-by-step cooking. Even the sound effects fitting to the rhythm of the transitions. At the end you can see it.
Exactly what we're looking for.
It's just crazy how good Seedance 2.5 is working on Lumina here. Amazing. Another amazing feature of Seedance 2.5 is the multi-language support. We have a prompt of 2 people. One is speaking English, one is speaking German. In one clip, let's look at it.
Hallo, schön dich kennenzulernen. Ich habe schon viel von dir gehört. Hast du die neue KI schon ausprobiert?
Nice to meet you too. Yes, I have. It's honestly one of the most impressive AI systems I've ever tested.
Das Beeindruckende ist, dass jeder einfach in seine eigene Sprache sprechen kann. Das macht internationale Operationen viel feisterer.
Exactly. I don't have to think about translation anymore. I can just focus on the ideas and the conversation.
Dann können wir endlich gemeinsam an denselben Projekten arbeiten ohne Sprachbarrieren.
That's the future I've been waiting for. Imagine what global teams can build together.
Dann lassen wir gemeinsam etwas Großes entwickeln.
Absolutely. Let's build something amazing.
Again, multi-shot scene on point, camera control is perfect here, character consistency. English is perfect. As a German native speaker, some words were not accurate, but all in all, it's just amazing. Here the same multi-language feature with a car showcase, all in Spanish.
Bienvenido. ¿Le gustaría verla más de cerca?
Por supuesto. En persona se ve aún mejor.
Cada detalle ha sido diseñado para ofrecer el máximo confort, rendimiento y tecnología en cada viaje.
La atención al detalle es realmente impresionante.
Cada elemento fue diseñado para que conducir sea una experiencia completamente natural.
Se siente perfectamente equilibrado. Es exactamente lo que estaba buscando.
Felicidades. Disfrútalo mucho.
Creo que este es el indicado.
Perfect car commercial, perfect lip sync to the Spanish. It's all there, it's amazing. Talking about commercials, you can do also brand commercials like here a wireless headset. Let's have a look. As you can see, from a single prompt to a full commercial, ready to upload to social media to promote it. Byte plus Lumina Seedance 2.5 integration is just amazing. If you liked Lumina, just click the link in the description to get some free credits, and there's also a trial package available. There's also an exclusive bonus event up to 50% of a monthly plans. Join and get up to 7 minutes of 480p Seedance 2.5 for free. So grab the chance. See you in the next one.